Sefistado Ramos Horta halau Enkontru Koordenadora Jeral ONU iha Timor Leste, Hodi Diskute Hamutuk, Oinsa halau Transformasaun Nutrisaun Aihan iha Timor Leste.
Banghira remata hasorumalu Koordenadora Jeral ONU iha Timor Leste Funmi Balogun, pa jornalista iha Palácio Presidencial Nicolau Lobato Bairopite Quinta nehateten, mai halo audiensi ho Prezidente Hodi Diskute Hamutuk, Oinsa ONU ho Governo Timor Leste ha Força Nutrisaun Aihan iha Timor.
The President to update on some of the activities that the UN is implementing, so to update him, and especially on the food systems. We have a project on food systems transformation and how we can have additional financing to food systems and have an integrated approach with that program. Where are the opportunities for scaling up food production, agriculture productivity, on nutrition, on behavior change towards food and nutrition in Timor-Leste? Where are the municipalities with the most challenges in terms of nutrition, and how the UN can come together, continue to support Timor-Leste. So it's just one of the meetings that I have occasionally with His Excellency the President to update on what we are doing.
Ya bibang nai Koordenadora Jeral ONU promete katak sehalo dia kliutan servisu ONU yang iha Timor Leste iha area Transformasaun Aihan no melhora liutan buat sirene bemak agora dadaung ONU halo hela iha Timor. ONU lau satu apoio orçamento, mas bem importante makhare Hamutuk, Oinsa ONU bele ajuda lori recurso mai hodi tulung iha area nutrisaun, agricultura, Aihan, lori mo setor privado sira mai serviço Hamutuk hodi hareba suntone. Emerenciana Pinto, estagiário Manuel da Costa, STL News.